Let's create 5 platforms with different angles in order to put a mesh in direct contact with each of them perpendicularly. Let's add the monkey on the centered platform, then move and rotate it. The goal is to snap it on the platform. So click on the snap button or shift tab, then select face and hover the platform with your mouse. Click. Our bird is too small. Let's scale and redo the process. Okay, now let's put something on this one. First, show the Move Object gizmo. Then push the comma key and select Local to have the local coordinates on the platform. Do Shift S, Cursor to Active to move the 3D cursor on the platform origin. You need the cursor to have the same rotation as the platform. So copy this last rotation coordinates with Ctrl-Alt-C and paste it with Ctrl-Alt-V in the View tab, 3D cursor rotation. Now let's add a cube, and in the Align parameter, select 3D cursor. Then we snap again. I've done exactly the same steps for this UV sphere. You can change the number of segments and rings to have simple shapes. Then I snap. Okay, on this one, let's put a cylinder. You can as well play with the parameters, put nothing on cap fill type to have a kind of pipe. Now let's place a cone on the last one. And we can play with the numbers to obtain a cylinder or a pyramid. Okay, now we want to add a crown on the monkey's head. Let's go up to place the 3D cursor on the crane using Shift plus right mouse button. It will stick on the monkey automatically. Then add a torus and play with the numbers. We'll use this little scene to test other Blender functions in other videos. You may also have seen the background on the thumbnail. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching and see you soon.